Sam Salot was born in Statelaville, but I grew up in George. So 2016, and then I moved to Gauteng because of music. Because when I started in the world of music, in about music, I could about it. So at least I bet you was now in the
There's progress. So when you in Jozi, you book gigs?
Yes, that's right.
Left, right, and center.
Yes, that's right.
Your hot property.
That's right. I'm coming in heavy. Now, I never met I'm coming in heavy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to warn you, I'm out here in the industry.
Hey.
Hey.
Are they ready?
Ah.
Are they ready? So how did you come up with the name Injaye Game, Sam Salute?
Yeah, first is one that based Injaye Game.
Yes.
That based Injaye Game, but because of Kasilam, kunabantu abandibonayo bano like mkhulu kakhulu yabo so kunentwana yami yafika kumi kuthiwa Andrew that no ayiphula yami manje leli gama lenjaye game liyeke uyinjaye umdlalo wena because you're doing big things.
Big things. Okay, so I can see you're not just an artist, you're also a designer. You know, I can see your drip right now. You know, you're coming through with the sauce. When did you see that, you know, you are different, your path is different, and you have a call in the arts, you know? When did you take note of that calling?
So I grew up, like I didn't know ukuthi mama uyayazi banyacula. So ecaweni bekunamarali yabo. So mama bethanda ukuthi acela abantu bangabanithenga ukuthi manicule yabo. So anthatha sestage kunengoma wakhe wanifundisa zona. So esibandikhula lapho khona no man mama uyayazi banyacula but I didn't know yabo. So from there I started school becula esikolweni becula then I started to take it serious can't figure George. Can't go like a old no, Kalan Quaito, Electricity Quaito, Electricity Quaito to this country, then the data serious from there.
So you can pop lock?
It's one but
I'm a pretty
so
yay. If ears can see, you know? Yeah, you know what? I would love for you to sing for us because your voice is very magical, you know, very enchanting, you know?
Nice.
So, first and foremost, what's your favorite song that you've ever recorded? And that song was the one that each and every single day, when you face challenges, it's the one you sing and then like you keep going.
Yeah, it's still okay. So I'm going still okay. Then, like it was a conversation between Mama and the phone.
Okay.
Was my last born in Kaya, so since that my injury, then Mama was like been stressed. About Pilajani, it was enough family, but I figured out so the man on phone every day. I was in the number right, no later right. So a conversation about okay, Mama, you're right, I'm still okay now, right up. Then Lengo Mageo is still okay. Lego Yafika, okay, no, Mama, the Mezalingo, I'm doing good, I'm still okay. So it's the first song I recorded up, it was in then Yoga Tata.
And put you on the levels. Okay, and any collaborations that you've done that have also changed your life?
Yes, it's one collaboration in the end there. The Yalom Zita, the figure with sharks. Or the figure with a panel. So we are Zita and was from Eastern Cape, so we collaboration Yamnai, here in the place there and Pushai.
And how's the reception so far when it comes to peers in the industry when you are dropping music? How's their reception? Are there any of them willing to collaborate with you, or is it each man for himself?
Yes, so I'm everywhere upon Amakora, so where to Kulamaki, country stage like Wogumno, like feature.
So what do you do when you want to relax and it's not music? You know, when you want to just like declutter your head from those notes, from those bars, from that beat, you know, from all that noise on the stage. What do you do to relax and just get back to Sam Salute?
No, it's busy. If I need music, the busy way because I'm also a designer.
As I can see. If I'm so, I think it's time for you to you know?
Yeah, khaitsedi ya ka ehlile ke nako ka nnete hore ke botse tse pedi tse tharo jwale go tbana ka ke a bona hore o sebeditse le di-artists ka reng bo Zola 7 bo Mandoza bo Jubjub ka njutsa fela memorable moments tsa hao tse pedinyana di-collab tshebetsong ya hao le bona.
Bula yami ne ya like umna eGeorge ne like since that the artist yaziwa kakhulu so ngithiwa amabiza ama-big artist like aboZola aboMandoza so biba ndim like iba i-opening act yabo so then manje nami iye yangikhuthaza ba ngazibona ba i-level yami like ifunekaphi yabo so that's why nami ngiye ndaphusha ngathi nazofika eGauteng.
So o sebedisana le bona jwalo o ithutile mo tsa o experience eo.
Bula yami yabo xa uzothetha isiZulu like asithethe isiZulu.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He asked, what did you learn from working with those big people? Like, what's that one thing that you're going to take away from that experience of being around such big hitters?
Yeah, i-energy yabo because ngama-legend esikhule siwabukela ne so nami ke baphume kasi nami ndiphume kasi and then ndiye nabona into yoba no nami ndikule kasi ndikuyo ndingaphuma yabo because nabo bakwazile uphuma so nami bandinike amandla lokuba mandipushe.
So how does it feel to be part of to have been part of TV shows like Take 5, Shift and also Selima Tunzi?
Kula yami like na experience good because nami ndinike at least inoba maniphakame yabo because it's not easy bama uphume TV yabo it's not easy so at least even nalapho nisuka khona at least nabo bayabona even if noba mhlambi ke abanawo Facebook abanawo TikTok if ever bane TV bayabona ukuthi no hayi lo muntu lento bayihambela uye eGauteng iyaqhubekela and then nabo la ndibeza proud yabo because ikasi lami like akabikho umuntu ophezulu yabo so they are happy ukuthi ngiphakamise ikasi lami.
Ya utlwahala Khotmane ebile how o tla jena ne ntse re bua jwalo ka di local brands jwale ke a bona hore ya ona le salute ka style bra ya ka eleng
and I like
haholo ya ke bo
shebile
yes yeah
talking about fashion I like the boots with the socks like that's my steez this winter with the socks yeah.
Hey, how do you plan to grow your clothing brand and what message do you hope to convey through your designs?
Yeah, design yami like as a city SKS ne. Yeah, salute kasi style.
Salute kasi style.
Salute. So like try uphakamisa noba nathi alithi kukabo Nike kukabo Adidas nathi siphumela ikasi siyakwazi ngoba sibe nazi brands zethu sibe nazi shops
we are own Nike
ezoba sema mall.
But eventually you'll have a lot of salutes in many districts of SA, people rocking your gear if you continue down this path, you know. I can see you pay excellent attention to detail, you are current, you know, and like you said, you're giving the Kasi drip to the people. And what more can people ask for? You know, but of course,
yes.
Sensor chapele vest before you step on area, please. And so we can hear the pipes, you know.
And yes, still okay.
Yeah, still okay.
Ebile ha isa lentse ke batla ho tseba hore na pine nyeo molaetsa hantle ke eng hobaneng ke nyo hlohleleditseng hore o ngole pineo.
No, adithi yona bengithuluzela umama yabo. Umama like makayazi ba no unyana wakho still okay.
Yeah, so you say and she prayed for him so he can be safe when he goes out at night. And that's why he has faith because of his mom's prayers. Yes. Okay, so I see you want to run your own record label one day in the next 5 years, you know. Who would you sign like right now? George.
Yeah, George. Bakhona betalent ininzi siswami yabo. So mna esibani sitho like ngizophakamisa ikasi yami yabo. So nami if ever like I make it in life, even for me yenze oqala like ngiyawazi ama artists anetalent enkulu enanisebenza nawo kasi nami so ngangawo ama-artist enoqala iqale ngawo.
And you know what, everyone has that first studio in the hood where they went and recorded their first demo or track, and then that actually catapulted them to greater heights. Like you said, the song Still Okay did for you. Where was that studio where you recorded Still Okay?
Still Okay, nami recorda with DJ Pairs walapha eBhoni lapho ngihlala khona.
Shout out to Ebony. Yeah, you're putting them on the map. Yeah,
Goedmanie, can you please share any lessons you have learned throughout your journey that you would like to pass on to your fans? Like myself, I'm a fan.
Straight out.
There's challenges and face on now. Because sometimes even kwa ijeni yami ukuza hapa ngekho lula. Because umngane langifikela kuye sange ngifikele kuye. Yeah, ikhona just into eyenzekayo because ibhasi yangishiya 2 times. Yabo yangishiya 2 times but okwesithathu nayikhwela because all climb the time ayihamba besithi noma nami yami. Kanjani. So ilana sithi xa uyenza into like yakumele kangiphela manje. Because nami ngazichazela first day ndashiwa, second day ndaphela ndashiwa but imini yesithathu yakhwela and then xa ndiphinda ndifonele out yami le ndifikela kuyo yabe ingafumaneki efonini. Then I ended up nditatsha umsister wami lo ndafikela kuyo ndisebhasini but ijeni yami yahamba ndazofika ndahlala and then from that time until now ndagrade.
And what you said, it's not an easy journey. Yes. So many people look at you today and might think, yo, he has it easy, but they don't see the behind the scenes of that bus leaving you twice. You know?
Abaya bacinga mhlambe ndiye ndafika like bendibiziwe then yalula ijeni ndazofika.
And then things just happen.
Abayazi ba like iqale yajika.
So patience, my brother.
Yeah,
that's what I take from Sam Salute's music. Yeah, I can need to be like that.
Mabedi usetsifela metsotso e mmedi pele re fitlha mane horeng ya bone ntse re na jwalo le Sam re buisana le yena ka mmino wa hae mme re kene le branding ba hae ka nnete ke bo botle haholo le wena o ka iponela motho o motle o ka kgahlwa bona o ka bathola mane 065 678 2159 habaneng mohlomong ona le dipotso bakeng sa hae re ka o thola kae maybe social media?
Yeah, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Sam Salute.
Sam Salute, the whole TikTok, Sam Salute.
And any projects you are like promoting right now currently that you want the 011 listener to know about and support, you know?
Yeah, like the I think two weeks back, when I talk say lifestyle butchery. Ibhoni so ndipusha ama-Mondays and biza nabanye ama-artists ama-local artists for a session.
And then charge fee to enter your sessions?
No, it's just ndifuna ubuilda ama-artists asethembisa afumane opportunity because ukungena kule ndawo ndikuyo like akho easy. So ngabe ne-opportunity since from 2017. So like abanye ama-artists beyongakwazi uperforma but so now since ndipusha ama-Mondays ayakwazi ke uze-showcase ama-talent zabo.
So what you do is you give them space to gain that confidence, that stage presence, and they improve after time. Like they're not the same person that performed the first time when they got on stage before your sessions.
Yeah, ijalo siswami because into endifunayo kukunika bona ama-opportunity because mna kudala since 2017 so bona bebengenayo opportunity so like try ugive bona la opportunity and then ke ngoku no music wabo bangarecord just bahlala bazokwazi ukuveza ebantwini ba okay sinaleyo.
Yeah, thank you for that. Very powerful, very philanthropic, you know.
Yes.
So right now, please just give us a teaser of Still Okay, like what Shapeleka,
yes.
Ubacelele ekhaya ngibathanda bonke. Molweni mama kuthani ndiyathemba niyaphila ngoba nami ngisaphila. Mama I'm still okay. ubaxelele ekhaya ngibathanda bonke. Olen mama uzani ndiyathemba niyaphila ngoba nami ngisaphila. Mama I'm still okay, ubaxelele ekhaya ngibathanda bonke. Noba impilo inzima, imisebenzi ehamba futhi ayisayikuma. Angeke ngiphele moya, angeke ngiphele amandla. Uyophela amandla wena.
Ayi.
I remember the day I left home, when I packed my bags and came to Jozi. Wandikhuza ngobutywala nezintombi. Oh mama uyivulile ingqondo yami, undibonisile ubomi. So relax ma, ungawari ngami. Shoo.
Ayi.
You my hero, you my mentor ma. You the queen of my heart ma. Oh mama wenu imbogoto. Kanti mama ko hii.
Yo.
Oh you my hero, you my mentor ma. You the queen of my heart ma. Oh mama wenu imbogoto. Shoo. Yamba kanjalo nje. Yamba kanjalo. Ngoba nami ngisaphila. Oh mama I'm still okay, ubaxelele ekhaya ngibathanda bonke. Molweni mama uthani ndiyathemba niyaphila ngoba nami ngisaphila. Oh mama I'm still okay, ubaxelele ekhaya ngibathanda bonke. Yeah man.
Ayo, ayi butho botle ke pina monate etla jalo ka salute are still okay. Ayi butho botle o ikutletse ka nnete. Ke molaetsa o monate wa mo motho wa bona.
You know I can play this song.
Mother's Day bila na haufinyana no.
Yeah.
Bona o
I can play this song ne
Yes,
coming
yes.
to work.
Ayi matla pina
Yeah.
na bona. Yes.
Still okay. Because you know I can relate with it. Yes.
Wa bona ha o le hole o le distance le
From your
batswadi ba hao.
family. Yeah.
Yeah, o ka nna mo betsa ka yona.
Yeah.
Mama ko mamele mona.
Yeah.
I'm still okay.
Because they worry.
Yes,
They worry.
Ai pine monate ka nnete. Yo, bitsotso botho botle ke meraro fela foreletse hora ya bona. Se re tsa tjena re leboa khotman la rona ka nnete re ka sema salute.
Salute, salute.
Salute.
And I'm wishing you greatness on your journey going forward. I hope that your record label comes true. I hope your drip comes true and you get it in major retails across SA and even overseas, you know. Let the sky not be the limits. To beyond that and continue enriching the young kids and being a great role model. Thank you so much for coming here.
Yeah, this is what.